Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 5 15ALC05. These use a Torx screw, a star-shaped T5 size for the screws on the back cover. There isn't a pre-made gap. I made one around the hinge. Work your way around the laptop. And then disconnect the battery. We're going to remove it because the plug is hard to push back in without extra room. There's also an adhesive underneath with that ribbon cable that's stuck to the battery, so be careful when removing it. Then we'll remove the SSD. Then remove the screws on the heatsink and the fan. Unplug the fan. Then we can take the heatsink out. There's a little dusty on the fan, and the thermal paste definitely needs to be replaced. So we cleaned off the heatsink and the CPU. I'm going to put PTM 7950. Let's get the plastic layer off, and then plastic layer on top. Put the heatsink back on, plug in the fan, screw in the screws. Make sure it's sturdy. Then we're going to put the SSD in. Then we're going to plug in the battery first. And then we could screw the battery down. And we're done. Here are some before and after benchmarks.